Welcome to JOAT Academy. Today, we're going to learn how to construct a 70-degree angle. This tutorial will guide you on how to construct a 70-degree angle without using a protractor. To begin, we first need to construct a 90-degree angle. Start by drawing a straight line of any length, and mark 3 points on it, A, C, and B, as shown. With your compass placed at point A, open it to point C and draw an arc. Using the same radius, mark 2 points on the arc. Each arc represents 60 degrees. Now, divide the last 60-degree section into 2 equal parts. Place your compass on one of the arc points and draw a small arc. Then, without changing the radius, place the compass on the other point and draw another arc to intersect the first. Using your pencil and ruler, draw a straight line from point A through the point of intersection. This gives you a 90-degree angle. Now, place your compass at point C and open it to point A. From point C, be at this point, then draw an arc. Then, place the compass on point C, then open to this point, then be on this point and draw another arc to intersect the first arc. Using your ruler, draw a line from point A through the new intersection point. And there you have it, a 70-degree angle. You may now use a protractor to verify that the angle measures exactly 70 degrees. This confirms that we've correctly constructed a 70-degree angle without a protractor. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, share it, and help grow the channel. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, keep practicing. Goodbye.